What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You know who this is, Mr. Don't Know It All, and I appreciate you stopping by. I am not a financial advisor. I just love making videos for you guys. Before we get into the video, go ahead and like this video. Let's get it out to many people as we want. Beat that YouTube algorithm, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well too. We've been stuck around 184 for a couple of days now, so let's hit that 190, 200. Remember, we got the $50 giveaway once we hit 250. So go ahead and subscribe, comment down below, and let me know where you think this NIO price is going, because it's going crazy. You have all these analysts changing their price. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know where you're going with this price target. All right, so let's get into the video. All right, guys, so let's talk about NIO. Today had another great day, up almost 6%. Let's look at the chart right quick. Today it was up 6%. In the last 5 days it was up almost 31%. In the last month, NIO was up over 100%. In the last 6 months, just 6 months, guys, this stock was up over 1,000% just in the last 6 months. Okay, so a lot of people are buying this stock in huge volumes. If people are buying this stock in huge values, what are they doing? They're also trying to short this stock as well too. So you have huge institutions probably trying to make their money by shorting the stock as well too. So be vigilant about that. If you have hundreds and hundreds of stocks or shares of this stock, go ahead and take some profits if you don't feel comfortable riding this long term, okay? Because it's gonna have to dip. If it's going and climbing the way it's doing, it's gonna have to settle somewhere around 41, 42. But it could also take a huge dip to about 35, 37. So you're thinking that, hey, I might as well just take some profits right now and buy back in around 37. And also because my dollar cuts average is high, then go ahead and do that, all right? There's nothing wrong with taking some profits and then buying back into the company, okay? Let's take a look at what the analysts are saying here. You have all the way from August 12th, they had this sucker from $4 to $14. You had Bank of America at $18. That's almost a $30 price difference right now. And the biggest movements in the last couple of weeks have been Citigroup from neutral to buy, SHBC from to $30, Deutsche Bank to $34, and then Citigroup again going from $33 to $46 in the matter of a couple of weeks, them changing their price predictions, okay? That is tremendous news. Then today, JP Morgan came back out saying, hey, we had this at $40. We said that it was gonna hit $40 in June of 2021. We were wrong. We wanna say, hey, $46 is the new price target. And NIO today hit 45. So what do you think is gonna happen the next week, the next 2 weeks, especially after earnings day? If they crush it against an earnings, on the earnings day on November 17th, what do you think is going to happen? It's going to rocket back up again, okay? So you be vigilant about November 17th and make sure you have your eye on the market and see what it does, because a lot of the, you've known this with a lot of the stocks here lately, they've had earnings day, they have gone down either the day before or the day after. So make sure you keep looking at that. But I think this is great news for a lot of investors that JP Morgan and all these price analysts keeps taking the price up. That just means more people are buying. That just means that they believe in this company short term and long term as well too. A big thing about call options, like I've been telling you in my last video, that I sold my call options. If I would have kept them over the weekend and sold today, it would have been worth $400 more than what I sold them at on Friday. But I had a game plan at $45. So I was gonna make sure that I sold at 45. I sold prior to that. I sold at 43 just because I got a little shaky hands, and I just said, you know what? I'm just going to take my profits on this one, roll that profits into another stock, into other call options, which I did. I'll make a video about that. My best call options right now, in my opinion, it's going to be this one right here, this $45 strike price, expiring November 27th for $4.40 per contract, 100 shares in that. You look at this open interest right here, 4,000. The volume 3,700. So that's a lot of people holding and trading these options right here. So this is tremendous numbers right here. I think this is a great play right now, where the strike price is, where the share price is. I think this makes a great partnership. November 17th is earnings date, and that's the whole reason why I picked November 27th for the expiration date. That gives you enough cushion if the stock falls before or after earnings day, right? If it falls, that gives you about, what, 10 days for it to pick back up. If you have JP Morgan saying that their price target is $46 and it's at 44 right now, if it falls to 41.37, it gives you 10 days to go back up to 47, 48, 49, even $50, because that's what we're thinking it's going to hit before the end of the year, around the $50 range. That's some good money right there. That is a lot of doubling your money right there. So keep an eye on this. If you want to play this option, I think this is the best one right now, in my opinion. You probably have other people that have different call options, but I think this one right here is the best one. If you have another one or you think of a better one, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think or what your call options are. If you're playing weekly call options and in the 13th, that's very, very bullish of you, but let me know what your call options are as well too. And also comment down below, let me know what you're thinking about what's going on with all these tech stocks today that dipped. I think it has to do a lot with the vaccine from Pfizer coming out and saying, hey, it's 90% effective. A lot of these tech stocks are not going to do so well if everybody's back to work, back to school. You won't need all these things at home. So I think that's what we saw the major drop with Apple, Tesla, all these tech stocks. So let me know what you think about that as well too, okay? All right, everyone, I appreciate y'all sticking through the end of the video. If you haven't liked the video, go ahead and deposit some likes on this video. Let's push this out to as many people as we can and beat that YouTube algorithm. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I really do appreciate it. Let's get to 250. Comment down below and let me know what your call options are, what you think about the NIO stock price going up, and what is going to happen for the rest of the year. Let me know. I appreciate everything, guys. And like always, lights out.